This is a HydMech S20P. This video would be good for the S20P or the S23P. I'm at the HydMech Assembly Center in Conway, Arkansas, and I'm going to show you how the control works on the S20 and the S23P machines. This is your power disconnect. You want to turn it on to the on position. You get the machine in the on position, you'll have a little control light up here. Your control buttons are the soft push buttons. You have a machine start right here. You push the machine start, the machine tells you to press reset. There's your reset button. Now your machine's ready to be told to put in what cycle. We're going to put it in a manual cycle. Now the machine is ready to be told to the head to go up or down. We have the head up button. You got the head down button. We can get your material set in the place, and you have your get a vise open close. We're going to close the vise. You can see the vise is closing. You have a blade start button. You have a cycle start. And the head starts moving, and you can control the head speed going down with this knob here. And the machine completes its cycle. Blade shuts off. Yeah, the blade shuts off when you finish the cycle, and you're ready to do your next operation. So we're going to go raise the head back up, and we're going to finish this position and go to a semi-automatic. Go to semi-automatic. You can set your head where you need it to be, head up, and then you push the head limit, and that would be your location for your head up limit. So now we would do the same thing. We start the blade. You push cycle start. The machine comes down, and we're cutting real fast because we don't have anything cutting. The machine gets to the bottom of the cut. It comes back up. The vise will open, and it's ready for you to pull the material in through. And when you hit the work stop, if you bought this option, or you measure your part, all you have to do is come back over. You push cycle start again. Or I'm sorry, you push vise close, blade on, cycle start. It'll do it again. Comes up for your next position. Say you got a different part, you need the head a little bit closer to your material. You push the head down, get close to the material that you want. You reset the head up limit, and that would be your new position for it to go up. Now let's talk a little bit about the screen here. This screen is a multi-purpose screen. We have the cycle parameters. Right now it's telling you that it's in semi-automatic and it's ready, and that the head is up approximately 5.3 inches, and your blade tension is approximately 2090. You see right here that it tells you that your blade tension should be between 2200 and 2650, so it's a little bit low. And to change that, you would come over to the handle here, the blade tension, and you would tighten it up. And I don't have both hands right now, so I'm not going to be able to do that, but anyway, you see that I didn't move it much and it did change. So you push the cycle parameters button. Now it's showing you the amount of cuts that you've made and your blade speed. So if I'm to turn the blade on, you'll see that blade speed changes. Well, apparently not yet. This is in a state of being put together. So, but that would be telling you where your blade speed was. And then you cycle on through. That's the total amount of hours that is on your machine. Cycle back through. That's your pieces that have been cut. And this should be the inches that the blade is coming down per minute. Again, this is your vise open and close. Your head up limit. The head down limit is already preset. We won't be messing with that. This is your wash to turn on your coolant to just wash things, or you just put the coolant on and it comes on when the blade comes on. The cycle start button we've already covered. The blade on and off is covered. Now these two buttons are usually for service technicians. You have your count reset for your piece counter. You push the count and it changes. This is the machine on button that you have to start every time you turn the machine back on overnight, or if you turn the handle off. The laser light is an option that machines have, and you can turn it on and off by just toggling the button. It does have a work light on the machine. This is, you can turn this off and it doesn't matter, the blade will not come on. You have to turn it back to the on position for it to work. This is your feed rate, and that is basically how the control works. I hope that it helps you. Sorry that it's so shaky, but this should get you by. Have a great day.